is really destroyed, but don't worry guys, I'm gonna rebuild it and make something really cool with it. I don't want to stop here.
What the fuck?
Yeah.
Sheesh!
New style.
What the fuck? Cool.
Alright guys. Now I'm just needing to wait for everything, for all the parts for the bike. And then we will rebuild it, you know. See. Alright guys, so we are now 2 or 3 weeks later. I was waiting for a lot of parts guys, so we're gonna show you this. You can see here every parts we got some new really big things like big FMF, you know. We got a lot of parts guys, as you can see here, like full plastic kit. I don't know how and everything, but we have so many fucking parts, and now we're gonna rebuild the bike. I'm still waiting for my bolt design decals, and this is the last step, but today we're gonna just start and rebuild everything that we can. So see you after this guys.
Baby, I'm playing on you tonight. Hunt you down, eat you alive. Just like animals, animals, like animals. Maybe you think that you can hide. I can smell yourself for miles. Just like animals, animals, like animals, moles. Baby, I'm so what you trying to do to me? It's like we can't stop, we're enemies. And when we get low, when I'm inside of you, hey, you're like a drug that's killing me. I cut you out entirely. But I get so high when I'm inside of you. Yeah, you can start over, you can run free. You can find other fish in the sea. You can pretend it's meant to be, but you can't stay away from me. I can still hear you making that sound, taking me down, rolling on the ground. You can pretend that it was me, but no. Oh, baby, I'm playing on you tonight. Hunt you down, eat you alive. Just like animals, animals, like animals, moles. Maybe you think that you can hide. I can smell yourself for miles. Just like animals, animals, like animals, moles. Baby, I'm so if I run, it's not enough. You're still in my head, forever stuck. So you can do what you wanna do. Hey, I love your lies, I'll eat 'em up, but don't deny the animal.
Hey yo! Birthday for the rebuild of this bike guys. So today we are getting on the electric side because we have many things like this. So my boy gonna fix this, and we're gonna continue fix the little parts of the bike, like you know, the foot pegs and everything like this. So we will film a little the bike and the rebuild, and then I will see you after.
It's meant to be, but you can't stay away from me. I can still hear you making that sound, taking me down, rolling on the ground. You can pretend that it was me, but no. Oh, baby, I'm playing on you tonight. Hunt you down, eat you alive. Just like
Hey yo! So update, guys. Now we need to fix like the clutch and all the brakes. You can see the bike is looking pretty much good. We have like some new fucking baby like this, guys. It's fucking insane. We have this, we have a new handbrake, we have a lot of new things, guys. So I'm still waiting for the decals from Ball Design, but it's gonna be insane, guys. So now we're gonna fix all this.
J'aime bien la cour comme ça.
T'entends les basses ou pas?
Ouais, ça tue.
Si j'appuie une fois sur le bouton, genre ça les active un peu et après.
Vas-y, mets les basses boost.
The bike is almost finished, guys.
One day young will kill it. Nothing to get me. One day young will kill it. Boss was shot to get me. One day young will kill it. Boss was shot to get me. One day young will kill it.
Yo guys, so after you see all the video, it's now time, guys. We finished the bike and I'm gonna reveal it in 1 minute. Look at this, guys. This was my bike. My bike was fucking destroyed, if you see it on the last video. Now we work it, guys. We work it. Believe on your dreams, guys. Come here.
Girl, I got you so high, and I know you like. So come on, push it on me. If it feels alright, wanna drop it low and bring me up. No, she doesn't mind. She doesn't mind. She doesn't mind. Girl, I got you so. Push it back on it, bring it back on it. Give me the thing, become a waffle lock on it. Wine it, wiggle it, set the track on it. 2 more shots, now we in a hot panic. 2 girl and I'm ready for jump on it. 2 to my word, I'm ready for thump on it. Ready for run on it, ready for dunk on it. Tag team in for your truck, we pump on it. Hands up high, we burning up the sky. We got the dance all crazy, got the club on fire. I like the way you dance, you got me in a trance. My baby, she don't mind at all. Girl, I got you so high, and I know you like. So come on, push it on me.
Guys, alright, so now you see the bike. So yeah, I've made the same decals, guys, because I'm fucking in love with this kit. So I had to do the same one, but with some new parts, guys. So I'm gonna say a big thanks to all my partners. Like here, guys, we have Septar Racing. It's an Italian brand, guys, who send me a lot of parts like this, guys. So you can check them here. You have, okay, next part, guys. I have these little things, guys. If you want the same as me, I'm gonna show you on the screen. It's come from Forks.id, guys. Big thanks to them because they send me it for free and it's really nice like this, guys. It looks fucking insane. So if you want the same as me, or you can just choose your logo, anything you want to put on it, guys, just go check them here. After this, I'm gonna thanks Back 3D, guys. It's a little special because it's my last packs, but it fucking saved my bike, guys. That's why I didn't have to change rims because of them. Because with this, when you fall, your rims doesn't touch the ground, and that's how I saved like so much hundred of money. So big thanks to them for this. And if you want some, guys, you can check them on Instagram or maybe on their website. I don't know, I'm gonna show it. Whoa, tous les moustiques. Yo, there is a lot of mosquito. The biggest part, guys, of the bike is this, you know, the decals, guys. You already, sorry, I'm fighting with the mosquitoes. You already know them, guys, because they are fucking famous, and this is the best brand quality, everything. Big thanks to both, guys. I'm gonna show here on the screen every part I have from them. They have so many parts, guys, and if you want the same kit as me, we made it, guys, on Bold Design, so you can check on the website or just here. You have the Lucio kit, guys. they will adapt my kit to your bike. Last part, guys. So I have now the lights, the front lights, guys. You can see this. All right, guys, you can see this. This is from Movetronix. It's fucking insane quality, guys. Like, okay, you have this to go on the road and this to just chill on the day. So go check them, guys. It's fucking insane quality. They have a lot of products different as this, but it's some good friends too, so you have to check them here. Let's fucking go. And the last part is this. I don't know, just tell me in comment what you think about it, guys. It's this is fucking insane. You can check them on Instagram here. Just tell me in comments what you think about it. Should I remove it or should I stay like this? All right, so now you know what's on my bike, and let's fucking go, guys. Now I'm gonna ride and ride and ride and ride, and in 2 weeks I'm going back to Reunion Island, rebuilding my other bike, my fucking 125, guys, with new bodies as decals, with new rims, with new everything, guys. So it's gonna be fucking insane. I count on you guys to be here, and you can join me on Instagram or everywhere you want, but everything will be posted on YouTube. So please subscribe, guys. It helped me a lot. It's a lot of work, and then here we go. I have a fucking amazing life. So yeah, see you, my boys, soon. It was Lucio. Bye.